before we begin our little journey here, you're gonna have to know the words you're going to encounter that mean adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. Adding, one of the many words you'll see is in all. Another word you might see with how many, in all, combined, combined, just combined. What else would you see? You would see two, well, not together, you'd see all together. And another word that you're going to see is just plain together. And those are the words you're going to see when you're adding. However, when you are subtracting, you will see how many, but hold on, let me separate here. Okay, so you will see how many, but it will be how many more, or how many is left, or is left, or just plain left. Another word you'll see is less. And then another, in a way, word you'll see is minus. Disregarding. And the last word that you will probably see when you're subtracting would be just plain old. If you're new to subtracting, your worksheet will say subtracting. And there we go. Now, whoops, I have no idea what I just did. So now we're going to do another separating here. Now, multiplying, I like to think of multiplying as extended adding. So when you're multiplying, hold on a second, a sloppy line there, but when you're multiplying, you're gonna see most of the words that you're gonna see here, like how many, and then you will most certainly see all together. And those are really the two words that you're going to see. You will know them when you see them, like John has such and such, and then he needs, never mind. Multiplying is more complex when it comes to word problems. However, I will do some multiplying word problems in the future so you can see what I am talking about. There will be a link in the description. But since I'm running out of time here, we're going to move on to dividing. Switch colors here. A little lavender color. No, let's do a yellow. So when you're dividing, you will see words like equal, equal, same amount. And then so mostly dividing, recap here, dividing is repeated subtraction in a form of multiplication. So you won't see how many are all together or how many more. You really just see, like multiplication, these two words. And they won't be at the end of the problem, they'll be in the middle of the problem, and I'll give you a link to the dividing video in the description as well. And I am running out of time. I only have 5 minutes to record this video, so we are done.